Tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt, buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift up of buckle, pull free and release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seat belt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vests over your head. Take tape around your waist, push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. On outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow to mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. And for further information, please study the safety cards found in the seat pockets in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened. Seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stored in your seat pockets.
Pinilapat natin sa cellphone. Ayun. So, hello guys. Singapore. Yes. Kakaiba itong, ang tawag dito ba? Escalator. Pero dire-diretso layo. Tayo magkano, no? Super tayo. ba sa'yo? Orange.
Pero mo, tabak na naman kasi.
Yan ba yun, ma'am?
Are you hungry, Dido? Are you going to come? Balik ka rin.
Hindi.
We need to look for the purple dot. You still remember the purple dot? Well, if you see the purple.
Ayun sa akin, brown. Okay na ako. Malapit magkatabi. Ang tanong, mauhugot ko ba?
Nalit sa
Parang
likod?
mas malaki pa sa akin. Makmatas nga ko
Ah, yung pulse, no? Pwede ka natin. Mas gusto na kasi sa heavy bag.
Ayan, kaya.
Stay on.